Today we're talking about the Edge light from Lume Cube. They are revolutionizing lighting for content creators, whether you're creating a new video or a podcast. Utilizing good lighting is absolutely vital, and Lume Cube has it figured out with the Edge light. Let's take a look. And here we have the Edge light from Lume Cube. You know, this thing reminds me a lot of a podcasting mic arm because it attaches to your desk with this little contraption that makes sure it's secure so that when you're moving it around, which the light has some flexibility to move around back and forth, it's easy to do. It attaches right to your desk and obviously right in front of your face so that when you're creating your next video or podcast, it makes it that much easier. There's a DC power plug-in here on the bottom that it comes with. You plug that right in and the light then works. I tried to use it without the DC plugged in and it does not work. So get yourself lit. So I've got the light mounted to my desk. As you can see here, turning it on, very simple to do. The on button, you can also lighten, lower the lighting, raise the lighting, whatever the case is. And I also noticed a USB and micro USB outlet on here. I'm assuming I can charge my phone or whatever device I'm utilizing with that. And I'm able to maneuver it around, up, down. You can move it down, move it away, whatever the case is to be able to maneuver. All right, let's go turn it on and see what we're working with. All right, so this is me with no Edge light. And this is me with the Edge light by Lumebox. As you can see, significantly different. What I like about it, it's not a gigantic, bright, shining light in my eyes. I feel like I can see. It's a very soft type of light, but at the same time, extremely effective, as you can see.